fellow silversmiths. Welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on making the end caps for this Viking knit chain bracelet. We are going to be cutting and rolling the end caps into size and shape of the chain, and hopefully we will be doing some soldering work and finishing up this project. So we've got a lot to do, so let's get started. Alright, so cutting out and bending did not work well. I think I would need something special to be able to bend it all together, but right now this isn't going to work. So, switching plans. So we will have to just reset this and start over. So we'll measure out the square sections and cut them out, then using the Dremel to make the initials. this worked out much better and we can continue from here, we do need to resolder one of these end pieces, but that's a quick job. Well, unfortunately, that is all the time that we have for tonight. But this is coming out very well. I'm really enjoying just trying to get these little pieces together and soldered and looking good. So, I believe next week we will be cutting out the caps, soldering the caps on with either hard or medium solder. So far we've only used hard. And then we need to make the hook and some links so that it can be a little bit adjustable. So that's going to be next week, but I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 3 videos a week, 2 of my live videos, the knitting with metal, and then of course the Pendragon's Twisted Metals on Sunday. So I hope that I see you all next week, and have a wonderful evening.